Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So we're just gonna get straight into this video. So I just finished shampooing and conditioning my hair. If you guys want to see a full wash day routine, I'll leave it linked in the cards above or in the description box. So after shampooing and conditioning my hair, right now I'm just spraying the Aloe Hibiscus Curl Refresher. That is a part of my hair care line. I am spraying that all over my hair. So in this video, I am going to be curl wanding my hair, and I am prepping my hair for the heat that I'm going to be using on my hair. I will be blow drying my hair and then also using the curl wand. So I just sprayed my hair with some Tresemme heat protectant spray, and then I'm going to begin blow drying my hair. I am using the Revlon, I think it's the brush blow dryer. I'm not sure the exact name, but I'll leave it linked down in the description box. So when it comes to wand curling your hair, to have a good successful wand curl, I would say, is to first to shampoo your hair to make sure that you get rid of all the residue that might be on your hair. So before I shampooed my hair, I had in some boho braids that I did, and I had gel in my hair. So I definitely want to make sure that I get rid of all of that buildup and product that's on my hair. The second thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you deep condition your hair, because by deep conditioning your hair, it helps add hydration back into your hair strands, softens your hair, and it helps to detangle your hair. Also, when you curl wand your hair, you will notice that your hair has more volume and also has more bounce. And the third step would be to use a anti-frizz cream, spray, or serum, and then follow up with a heat protectant spray. Or if you're able to find a product that is able to help with anti-frizz and is a heat protectant, then that's great too. And that is why I sprayed my curl refresher on my hair first, and then I went in with the heat protectant. So the next step I would suggest before going into wand curling your hair is to blow dry your hair. By blow drying your hair, this will help to stretch out your hair and keep your hair sleek. Do not straighten your hair. You want your blowout to be textured. Also, you want to work in sections, and every time you're finished up with one section, just pin that up and then begin to work on the next section. So by working with smaller sections, it will help to get your hair as sleek as possible without having to use a flat iron, but you still have that texture in your hair, which will help to give your hair that bounce, and it will help to also give your hair that volume that you need. And then once you completely blow dried your hair, you want to just go over your entire head with the blow dryer, so that way you can make sure that you don't miss any wet spots. You want to make sure that your hair is completely dry before you go into wand curling your hair, because if you still have some wet areas in your hair, after you wand curl your hair will begin to revert back to its natural state. So that's why I suggest that after you blow dry your hair, that you go over your hair with the blow dryer one last time to make sure that your hair is dry. Okay, so now when it comes to the actual curl wand process, I would suggest sectioning off your hair into small sections. I noticed that when you work in smaller sections, the curls tend to last longer. Also, I would suggest using a hairspray or a type of hold spray mist before you use the wand curl. So when you section your hair off, spray a little bit of that hold spray or hairspray. I'm using the Gots to Be glue spray, and I use like 1 to 2 pumps on my hair. And the point is not to oversaturate your hair with the spray. So like I said, I use 1 to 2 pumps of the spray on my hair, and then I go in with the wand curl. Also, another tip when it comes to wand curling your hair is that you want to make sure that it's already nice and hot before you begin to use it. So I have my wand curl set at 400 110 degrees. Make sure also you know what temperature is best for your hair type. I've used 410 degrees before my hair, and that seems to work just fine for me. So like I said, make sure you know what temperature is best for your hair. So when it comes to actually curling your hair, you want to grab your curling wand, make sure that it's already nice and hot, and then you want to point the curl wand in a downward direction and wrap your hair around it. You're going to hold your hair there for about 3 seconds before releasing your hair. Do not hold it for too long, as you do not want to make your hair hard or burn it. So you just want to repeat this step until your whole head is complete. Another tip is that before you wrap your hair around the wand, you can quickly run the wand down the section of hair. This helps to add smoothness to the curl. Sometimes I think you're just too. You got the biggest heart. Sometimes I think you're just too. You got the biggest heart. Sometimes I think you're just too. You got the biggest heart. Sometimes I think you're just too. So after you finish curling your hair, you can either style your hair as is, or you can gently separate the curls for a even fuller look, which is what I'm going to be doing. So I don't want to separate the curls too much because I don't want to create frizziness. And then also, as time goes on, my hair is going to my hair is just going to get bigger. So I don't need to separate my curls too much right now at this moment. So the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to be using my Aloe Fenugreek strengthening hair serum, and I'm just going to apply this all over my scalp just to keep my scalp moisturized, and then also to help prevent my hair from frizzing up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.